What's up, tech lovers? Welcome to this new video tutorial presented by IQcodec. I am Fabrice. I am going to be an instructor of the day. So I want to start by pleading for our late time posting because our last video was actually recorded, that is 1 week ago, almost 7 to 8 days, due to the fact that I'm very busy this period. I have some exam that I have to attend to next week. So today in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to back up your WhatsApp business chat and restore them back to your Android device without needing Google Drive backup. Or you can actually back up your WhatsApp business chat from an iPhone and restore them back on an Android device in the case if you change from an Android to an iPhone or from an iPhone to an Android. So that's what I'm going to be looking in the video today. So please, if it's your first on the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest tricks and hacks on IcareFone. So see you next after the video intro. Let's get into the video tutorial. So back into the video tutorial. So before continuing, I want to first start by saying that this video is actually sponsored by Tenosha. So as I said in the title, we're going to be looking at how to back up your WhatsApp business chat and recovering them without the use of Google Drive. So for this, let's say for instance your phone actually get missing, or you buy a new phone and you wish to transfer your chat or your WhatsApp chat from one phone to another without losing data like pictures, messages, voice note and videos. So that's what I'm going to be looking at how to fix this, and it's going to be, I can actually transfer your chat from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone. So for this, as I said, Tenosha is a company that actually allows us to do it in a very easy way, and it's very you can do it at any level, so you don't need any experience or anything to actually do this. So Tenosha offers you a all-in-one software that does it all at one time. So you can see that I actually have many features, but I'm actually interested in the feature of WhatsApp transfer, backup and restore. So let us look at some of the features of this great application. So you can see the first feature, we have easily transfer WhatsApp chat between Android and iOS. So that's what I was talking about. We have directly transfer WhatsApp business between iOS and Android. We have one-click backup and restore data and WhatsApp messages. So you can see in one click. So that is very awesome. Whilst you export WhatsApp business messages and links backup to HTML, we have backup and restore iOS, Kik, Line, Viber. So you can see it actually supports some other apps like Kik, Line, Viber, and WeChat, and we'll actually see it's actually supported by the latest iOS version, iOS 14, and also compatible on Android 10. And you can see the software is actually available on both platforms, on either Windows or on Mac OS. And please, for you to use this software, it actually has a trial version, and you can actually buy it. But I would advise you to use the link in the description to have a 30% discount using the coupon code that I'm going to provide in the description. So let's get into the video tutorial of the day. So you can see I have WhatsApp business already installed, so I'm going to be using WhatsApp business for this, which is what I'm actually using. I see it's pretty much, and we're going to be using a Windows PC. So for first thing, make sure your IK is already installed on your Windows PC. So the next thing I'm going to do is that since I'm using a mirroring software, it's going to get disconnected because of the IcareFone WhatsApp. So you can see the user interface is pretty awesome. It's very nice and very easy to understand. So you can see the different varieties of apps supported by this cool software. So you can see WhatsApp business, Line, Kik, Viber, and WeChat. So I'm going to go in for WhatsApp business. So the first thing to do is that make sure your Android device is actually connected. So you can see at this level, here is in the keys we have to transfer WhatsApp business data between iOS and Android device. So this is what we're going to be looking in our next videos, but I actually inserted at this level of backup. So you can see my device already disconnected since I'm using a USB cable, and make sure you connect it to your USB cable. And if you have any problem of connection, you can actually look at this, go on the Android device. So you can see, you can actually select, make sure USB debunking is activated and developer option is activated, and if it's not detected, try switching the USB connection mode to MTP, PTP or MIDI. So that is that, our device is connected. So I'm going to click on the backup now. So clicking on this backup now is going to take around, depending on your WhatsApp data, is going to take for around 1 to 2 minutes. So don't freak out if this actually takes a little bit of time, but it actually worth it. So click on backup. So you can all see once you have clicked on backup, you're going to be presented to this window, and this window actually tells you to create a WhatsApp business backup, and we're creating it locally. Remember, I said without the use of Google Drive. So you can see here an on-screen display. So that's what's very cool about this software. You can do it on your own without calling help from somebody. So you can see an on-screen display. It's very clear to the point. You can see if you have a backup. On our own case, we have a backup, but I'm going to create it back to actually show you how the process works. So you can see this backup is actually created on the 23rd. Actually today is the 23rd, but I'm going to create another one today, the 23rd. So let me try and create another one right now. So you just need to open your WhatsApp business. go on the three dot has been provided. You go on setting. After going on setting, you go on chat. After going on chat, you go on chat backup, and make sure backup to Google Drive is set to never, so you can see it on the screenshot. Make sure it's set to never. Once that is done, you click on the backup and it's going to create a local backup on your phone. Once the local backup is created, the IcareFone will automatically detect it on this select backup history field. So actually right now I'm creating a backup, so let's wait a little bit, and you can see the time is 1:53 p.m. Let us check, and the backup has been created. Let us check and see. So you can see 1:54 p.m. so that is done. So once this is done, you can select it here, click on the continue. So click on the continue, you're going to get getting WhatsApp business data from the backup device. So this stage actually depends on the amount of data that is either in your WhatsApp or in your WhatsApp business. As for on the WhatsApp, it's actually very much. You can see I have a level of 4,000 messages, so 4,000 chat and messages on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to come back later once this is done. So please don't freak out. This is very awesome. As I said, to have a discount on this product, use the link in the description and use a coupon code to have a 30% discount on this software, and it's very cool. So let us wait for this to actually analyze all the 4,000 chat on my Android device. I'm going to get back later after this is done. So here, for data security, you must verify the WhatsApp business account you use to create the backup before generating the restored data. So for this, we're going to just verify our mobile phone number that we use in the WhatsApp. So you can have a little indication here that the number actually ends with 37. So I'm going to create it. Let me confirm the number. Okay, so I'm going to confirm the number. When it's done, you click on verify, and you can see, you say if you have two-step verification for WhatsApp business, please make sure you disable it. So you can actually check using this link to actually look at how to disable it. So click on continue. You can continue. Okay, and let us wait for it to actually arrive. And please, if you have an error after doing this, please make sure you try it again. And you can see they're going to send a verification code to your number. So you click on, you can see the message actually arrive. You say okay, you say WhatsApp registration code was requested for this number. So you can see that is it. So here's a code. So you're just going to input the code on your PC. So let me read the code. We have 42 is a 6-digit code, 428 So once the code has been inserted, you can click on verify, and let us watch if it's going to work. And you can actually see we have a backup successful, and we have WhatsApp business data in Techno has been backup successfully. If possible, please share it with more people so that it is you can actually view backup or restore it immediately. So you can see. So I'm going to go back on the back arrow. If you go now on view and restore, so you can see the backup has been created. You can see I have actually 1.1 gigabyte backup size. And if you check on your Android device, you can see that WhatsApp business is still available. So you can see the phone number is no longer registered with WhatsApp on this phone, and this might cause before reach. So you can click on the OK. So you need to verify back your mobile number on WhatsApp. So that's what I'm going to do. So on your Android device, so let me get back to my Android device to actually show you how this actually functions. So I'm going to close this a little bit, and okay, so here on my Android device, if you actually open the WhatsApp business, you see that it has been actually be uninstalled. As I said, you need to verify back your account, so you need to verify it back. So that's what I'm actually asking you to do. So you need to agree and continue and verify back your mobile number. So that's what I was talking about. So let us get back to our IcareFone. So let us get back to IcareFone and try to restore back the chat and see how it actually works. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so remember we are trying to restore the chat. So we're going on WhatsApp business, and for instance, if you buy a new phone, you go on view, so you can see here's the backup that we actually created, and you can see is the size. So you click, you can either restore to iOS or restore to Android. So restore to Android. So restore on Android, make sure you verify first of all your device. So if you click on restore now, see what you're going to get. So please, at this stage, just a little bit of patience and see what is going to happen. So WhatsApp business will be override. Are you sure you want to continue? You say continue. Okay, so that is that. So you can see once you want to restore, you just need to confirm the mobile data, the same phone number you use in creating the backup. So you can see this, the same process actually applies. go on Cameroon. Okay, the target phone number. So remember that the same number you use while you were actually making the backup. So the same number applies. You click on verify, continue, click on continue. Okay, so you can see I'm now generating data that can be restored. So a little bit of patience. So I'm transferring to target device. So you can see the data is being transferred to your target device. So once you are waiting for this, as I said, after backing up, it's going to actually delete. You need to verify back your WhatsApp business account. So let me just verify it quickly. So you don't need to input your number, receive the code and verify it. So a little bit of patience, just wait for this transferring data to target device to get completed. As you all know, we actually had 4044 chats, so a little bit of patience. I'm going to come back when this is going to be done. You see a on-screen display that actually tells you that restore has been successful. So you need done this up. So what this on-screen display says is that WhatsApp business is going to be uninstalled. You need to go back on Play Store, install WhatsApp business, open, verify account, continue, allow some permissions, and actually restore. So you're going to see this window that's going to ask you to restore your backup. You're going to click on restore next, and that will be done. So that is that. Now let us get back to our Android device and actually do this all together. So back on our Android device, so at this level we just need to follow the on-screen display that TenorShare actually gave us. So please, at this level, let's say for instance this was a new phone. Once this is done, you don't need to follow the level. So the on-screen display, you can actually check WhatsApp business has been uninstalled from my device. So if you search for, just try and search for WhatsApp business. So if you say WhatsApp business, so you can see it is no more available on this device. It has been uninstalled, so you need to download it back. So this is what you're going to do on your new device that you actually bought and that you wish to restore it. So just go on Google Play and Play Store, search for WhatsApp business, and that is that. Click on and free to install it a little bit, and that is that. Click on open, agree and continue. So use a different number. Since I have another number, so we're going to use a different number, and make sure you use the same number that you actually use on the WhatsApp, the previous WhatsApp that you were using to create the backup. So click on next. Okay, we're going to have the code verify, and that is that. Mark as read it. Allow WhatsApp to access media. To contact and allow. Okay, so you can see we have backup found, which is actually restore your messages and media from your phone internal storage. So that is it. You click on the restore and you wait a little bit. You can restore messages 37%, 38%, and everything is going to get back to normal. So this is a very nice video. So I'm sorry for the length of the video, but I show you it worth it because I wanted to do it at a very clear level. So you click on next. So that is that. Everything is back to normal. So let us check and see if it's actually true. Never, not now. Okay, you can see that we're back on WhatsApp with everything that actually, so you can see all the chat are there. There's nothing like this messages can be sent. So you can see everything is back on WhatsApp. So that is it. Everything is back on WhatsApp. Everything is back on WhatsApp. So that is all about the video. If you have any question at any level, please let me know in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you. And please, if you love the video, click on the like button, hit the subscribe and notify us in